We're Superhero DIY and we make a lot of collectible display options. Not only do they look great, but they're available in multiple colors to fit your collection perfectly. I mean, check out that aesthetic. That's so nice, right? Whether you're just looking for something cute to display, or you're just looking to, show off your style. They're truly a great way to mount your Funko Pop collection with an included command strip. We do include one command strip per shelf, and I like to put mine upside down. That way it adheres to the wall just really nicely. And then it's a good idea to make sure that that sits for 24 hours so that the glue sets up really well. And then once it's set up, just put your Funko Pop right on there. We're always making tons of these, so they're always available in our shop. So whether you order 1, 10, or 50, they'll be ready to perform when you need them. So definitely check them out, and then check out some of our other cool display options. Because you know what? We've got a lot. No, really, we've got a lot. Like a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. No, seriously. I mean, really? No, I mean, really, we've got a lot. So check us out and give a follow if you like this stuff.